Profit Analytics is a comprehensive financial analysis tool that consolidates your unit economics data into one place and helps you analyze your business performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your profitability. To access Profit Analytics, open the main menu in Seller Central. Hover over Reports and select Selling Economics and Fees. From the Profit Analytics page, your unit economics data is organized into various categories, including sales, fees, non-fee costs, ad spend, and net proceeds. Select any category to explore detailed breakdowns of your business performance and understand specific costs and trends. Use the Settings icon to customize your view and configure additional metrics that help track changes in your business, such as adding period-over-period comparisons to spot trends or view costs as a percentage of your gross merchandise sales. Or create custom product groups to analyze specific parts of your business separately. Grouping related products helps you spot trends and make decisions for different parts of your catalog. Select time periods to view your unit economics data for your entire catalog at the ASIN level. You can also use the per unit toggle to view metrics by unit. This granular view helps you understand the true cost structure of each product you sell, helping identify products that may need attention or optimization. For instance, low net proceeds for a product group might signal an imbalance between costs and revenue. Using the data insights, you might discover your advertising spend isn't generating enough sales to be profitable. With this information, you can focus on improving your marketing strategy. To help you identify anomalies in your costs, you can analyze your costs in relation to your sales. For example, sorting products by storage costs as a percentage of sales quickly reveals which items have disproportionate storage expenses relative to their revenue. This helps you identify where to focus your optimization efforts. The tool also enables you to add expenses that aren't tracked by Amazon to see a complete picture of your business costs and profitability. The scenario planning feature can help you evaluate potential business strategies. First, enter a name to keep track of this scenario. Then select specific products or product groups you want to analyze. Then model different actions to see how they might affect your profitability. For example, you could select products with high storage fees and evaluate options like running promotions, adjusting inventory levels, or requesting removals to understand which action might be most beneficial. For more information and guidance for leveraging Profit Analytics for your business, visit the Profit Analytics help page in Seller Central.